For those of you that haven't actually dropped a lot of weight in their life, let me tell you something. It is an absolute night and day difference. I actually can tell you personally that I know how people treated you beforehand and afterwards, how you view yourself beforehand and afterwards. You look at yourself in the mirror and there's something that you can look forward to doing. I actually enjoy kind of looking at myself in the mirror because it's not just me. It's part of an achievement, something that you created. It's a goal that you set and you accomplished. And the tools I'm going to give you can give you that satisfaction of doing that. People will treat you differently. You will see how, and I'm not totally sure why this is, but it is the case, that they will assume that you're more responsible. They'll think that they can rely on you more, along with other things. Well, I'm sure that you can think about. But if you're in this course, you're in there for a good reason. And I wish you the best of luck as you go throughout it in this weight loss journey. Welcome again. And thank you for purchasing this course. If you did. If this is a preview, then right on. Keep checking it out. Thank you again. See you guys next time.